Hello, Astro Rachita welcomes you to birth number 9 in the Astronumerology series. You can find videos of all my numbers from 1 through 8 on my YouTube channel. This is number 9 and all the persons who are born on the 9th, the 18th and the 27th of any month come under the vibrations of the birth number 9. This is a number of completion and renewal. It is the number for setting out new boundaries and new frontiers for humankind. It comes under the influence of the fiery planet Mars. Number 9 persons are very strong, energetic, very much fond of being in the commanding position and very brave and courageous. Where any other number would be fearful of treading, you can trust a number 9 person to take up the reins and march out confidently. High on physical stamina and energy, and also high on mental strength and determination. That is what differentiates a typical number 9 from other numbers. They never feel lazy when they are given a task to accomplish. The positives are their bravery, their courage, their frank nature, their bold spirit, and also a bit on the negative side that number 9s have to struggle with throughout their life is their blunt tongue. They first speak in haste and repent in leisure. Number 9 is like that it is like a simmering fire inside them all the time, which is motivating them to do great tasks. They are very impatient and they do not have the patience or the kind of centeredness or the slow pace where they wait for the other team members to catch up with them. Thus they make great leaders, but only in the beginning periods. If they really like to keep their team together and to gain everlasting loyalty of their team members, they must learn to slow down. They must learn to combine their own zealful energies with the energies of their other team persons, whether in relationships or in the professional field. They are excellent leaders, excellent commanders, thus you will find a lot of them in politics, in the armed forces, in the defense services, in the upper echelons of the corporate hierarchies. All the places where you need visionaries, you need people who can see a lot out in front and strategize and also be able to inspire and motivate the followers. They are excellent leaders and commanders and political leaders. But number 9 persons must learn to keep a check on their tongue and on their fast pace of talking and working. That way more people will be confident enough to approach them for their own tasks. Generally people find number 9 very intimidating. They like to approach a number 9 person, but they feel a little scared of all that excessive energy. Thus number 9 persons must learn to do yoga, meditation, and very importantly some kind of physical activity, because like I said, number 9 is a very physically driven sign. So they might have a high level of adrenaline, high level of physical passion and vigor and vitality. If they do not take it out constructively, like in sports or physical activity, then all that flagrant energy is going to backlash into arguments or into unnecessary fights and quarrels with their spouse, with their bosses, with their subordinates. Therefore number 9 needs to be very careful, because number 9 is literally fire. Fire can be life-giving, fire can be light-giving, but at the same time fire can burn. So learn to understand the duality of your number or of your element, because it's a typically fiery planet and a typically fiery number. Number 9 persons have short-lived relationships because they are very argumentative and very frank, and they are generally very impatient to get their task done, and they can be very harsh with their tongue. They are fond of eating spicy foods, they are fond of trying out different cuisines, and therefore number 9s are the most prone to heart and liver diseases. They must keep a check on their excessive need to savor and to enjoy life's different experiences. If they exercise a little bit of restraint and moderation in their daily life, their life would be much more fruitful. Number 9 persons, your lucky color is red. The Lord you should be worshipping on a regular basis is Lord Hanumanji. Your color is, as I've said, red and also golden. All the colors of a rising or a setting sun are in fact your colors. So there is an entire palette of colors to choose from, red being the predominant. Your direction is south, and the numbers you're most get along fabulously with are 3 and 6, the number 3 series, and also number 1. There is an attraction and repulsion relationship with number 1 because both are very commanding by nature. So they get attracted to each other's positive, motivating, strong energies. But there is also a bit of a ego clash here. So one must take care while choosing a spouse, but it is still a very good number for you to get along with. And also number 2, because 2 tends to calm down your raging fire. So learn to have relationships with these numbers and you will surely do well in your life. This is Astro Rachita signing off now with this series. To get in touch with me, you can log into www.astrorachita.in. I am also available on Facebook and on LinkedIn for consultations or any kind of interactions. Thank you and have a great day.